Hello, I'm Jenny Wang. I'm currently the staff consultant working for CCPS. I come from China. Today, I'm glad to share about China process safety. As you all know, in the past 40 years, China has made rapid development on economy side. China nowadays has become the second largest economy. Chinese chemical industry has overtaken US, become the largest chemical consumer and producer. But behind all those beautiful numbers, beautiful facts, there are also another side of the facts that Chinese society are paying high human cost for the high-speed development. For example, there are still a lot of safety accidents happening with fire, explosion, toxic release. There are also big environmental damages, polluted water, polluted air, the smogs in the winter. All of these are challenge the real quality of life. So the mounting public frustrations also become one of the main concerns for the China top leadership team. So they are also taking actions. A few examples of the major accidents happening in China. You may already heard about that. In 2015, there is a huge explosion in Tianjin port, where more than 170 people has been killed, including 99 firefighters and around 10 first-line emergency responders. This accident was caused by the large storage of dangerous chemical goods, the detonation out of that. So this is another big lesson to ring the bell for Chinese government, for Chinese public, that we do have to strengthening the safety management system, the standard, and the overall safety awareness and education in the society. The Chinese President Xi Jinping has made very clear that safety is a red line. They had made in their government 5-year plans to have 20% reduction on the total injury and fatality rate, incident rate, in another 5 years by end of 2020. They are taking resolute actions to upgrade, consolidate chemical plants. For the plants with outdated process, which cannot meet the safety and environmental regulations, either they shut it down or they have to be relocated to the bigger chemical part with better safety management and environmental protection facilities. This is necessary and very important, but in the long run, that may not be sufficient. As to really improve process safety, or in general the safety performance, you also need to cover or to take good care for the behavior and culture part. That does take longer time. The safety culture is part of a society culture, right? The Chinese in the past decades, due to the pursuit for GDPs, for China's speed, so they did in certain ways may ignored or didn't give sufficient attention to quality, to safety, to environment. But with the development of regulation, with the lessons learned from the major accidents, I believe Chinese government, together with the Chinese company, and with their learning attitude towards the world best practice on process safety, that it is a long journey, but they will achieve their target.